It is now 11:17. Betsy's here now. You got California dreaming tonight. You said you were looking out west?
I was, but not like the typical beach California dreaming.
Oh,
It's
not like that.
mountain
What are you seeing
snow
out there?
California dreaming. The snow is good for them. They love that mountain snow. That basically guarantees them water. And they definitely like that. That storm system will swipe south of us as we go through the weekend, so we have to keep an eye on it. But for tomorrow, it's just mostly cloudy to start your day, cold and breezy. Temperatures are going to be in the 20s. We'll make it to the 30s through the afternoon. Clearing skies will be around northern Ohio, and this is the beginning of a streak of beautiful weather. Tomorrow is your day, car washers. Get out there and get it done, because you're going to have a chance to keep it clean for quite some time. It's good news from here. Winds are still a little brisk along the lakeshore. They're finally calming down farther south, but we now have a north-northwesterly wind as those winds start to pivot around on the backside of our area of low pressure, the nor'easter, the four-easter, as some people are calling it, with the fourth storm here. But you can see the center part of this storm swirling. It's opening up just a little bit, and that is just bringing all of this snow right along the New England coast. 4,470 flights into or out of the United States canceled today because of this bad boy, and also because of that West Coast storm system that I was mentioning before. You can see all the rain that's coming onshore. This is beneficial rain. You think we freak out about snow? You should watch the people in California when it starts to rain. They really freak out. But then we also have the rain and the snow going on up in the northwestern portion of the country as well. And you can actually see the jet stream pattern in all of this. All of these clouds coming out of the Pacific, coming northward. We come up into the United States here, the center part of the country, and then we come down and we loop around our storm system. So we kind of have this roller coaster ride that's going on. And interestingly enough, this storm system is going to follow right along this track. And as it does so, that will then bring the storm just south of us for the weekend. Here's the problem. As we saw last night, things can change, right? That storm last night came a little farther north, and the snow came a little farther north as well. For the most part, the forecasts, they weren't terrible. They were challenging, but not terrible. But for the weekend, if this comes farther north, then that's when we could start to bring in some snow chances for Saturday night and Sunday. That is not the case yet. For the morning, we will have temperatures that will be in the 20s, wind chills that will still be in the teens, but I think mostly cloudy skies as we go through the day will eventually yield partly cloudy skies as we get into the afternoon, and the temperatures will be below average. Our average high temperatures this time of the year are the mid and upper 40s. We won't be making it out of the mid and upper 30s for the day tomorrow. Definitely a chilly March so far. And as we march on into the evening, it looks like those partly cloudy skies will be with us, and that is the kickoff of a beautiful Universal Windows Direct 7-day forecast. Clouds and sun tomorrow with highs in the upper 30s to near 40. We're basically going to have the same thing Friday into Saturday. We will bring warmer air back. Yes, on to spring, and we catch up with the calendar next week with highs back into the 50s.
Almost 60 degrees a week from today. Is that what it says there?
That's what it says.
Ooh, nice.
All right. Thank you, Betsy.
We can make it.